Okay, I've been reviewing this floor system a little bit, and this whole thing at the front entry bothers me. Um, we have an issue here where we've got a 2x6 wall here that has stone on the front of it. So our floor system and this stuff's just not matching up right. And then also these walls and this concrete floor as they come together. So let's fix this problem first. So let's go to a section view through there, and you can see uh, this sill plate. The sill plates are specified as a 3.5 inch sill plate. We actually have 6 inches of space there. So if in actuality, yeah, they would pull that back in or put some or cut some filler to put in there. But what let's do is let's take this and line it to the outside edge. And that may we'll see how that adjusts us. Now we're going to have to go back in and edit our boundary on that, and we did that on the top of sill plate layer. So I want to move that down to okay. We'll try align. Okay, so that fixed that problem, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that fixed that. Our subfloor was correct to start with because it went out to the wall itself. It's just one of those weird details that when you're recreating somebody else's project, you're going to run into things like this that you don't quite fully understand. So in actuality, that would be a larger sill plate. Okay, I've double checked these dimensions, and dimension wise, everything's okay. All right, so let's go look at the entryway floor because that bothers me also. We got this concrete slab that's supposed to bear on these walls, but then we've got these walls that don't match up and don't sit on anything. So I think it's, excuse me, the plan calls for a 4-inch bearing slab. But if you remember on those two, the left and the right wall, the hidden line is not in the center of the wall. It's kind of offset. So I said, let's do 6 inches. Well, I think if we do 4 inches, that will work out. So let's go back to first floor and edit the boundary of that one. Uh, it's locked. Okay, unlock it. So that lines it up more so with our with the walls. Okay, and so that looks so much better. All right, so let's finish that. Would you like to attach this floor level? I'm gonna say no because I wasn't real sure what it was talking about. So let's go back and look at our section. Okay, and then these walls will, let's say 0. Oh, we we got to have that double winky thingy. So I got to edit the type, remember? Come on here. Okay. All right. I think that looks good because we got sheathing coming down and stucco coming down. Um, yeah, we'll have to let's go back in and edit that again because the yeah, the stucco needs to come up. Yeah, so we'll do that. We'll edit the stucco again. Kind of a weird way to go around doing this. Extension layers to the base of the wall must be adjacent. What? Okay, maybe we won't then. Maybe I hit something wrong. Okay, so we'll see about that. And I guess I need to do that back wall back there too. Okay. Also, what we want to do here, let me just go back to the first floor, is we want to go ahead and put these little columns in that are on the terrace front and back. And the ones at the front get concrete block with lightweight stone. The ones at the rear are wrapped in brick. And the ones at the rear, we don't really have a size for them, but they look to be about the same as the ones in the front. But you want to make your stone, your brick wall, excuse me, your block wall, 36 inches tall, and then you'll get a cap on it. And it'll be real similar to this wall right here, which this one was stone on 4-inch CMU. Okay, so I think you can probably do those three here and then duplicate that wall and add a brick facade to it, brick veneer. And there's two back here that'll be the same height. I think you can probably figure out how to do those okay.